In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a GIF on iPhone. This process is simple and effective, allowing you to enjoy your favorite GIFs right from your device. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to save GIFs from various sources, ensuring they remain animated and accessible in your Photos app. First, let's start by opening Safari. This is the default web browser on your iPhone, and it's where you'll find most GIFs online. With Safari open, navigate to the web page that contains the GIF you want to download. Make sure you choose a reliable source, as this will affect the quality and accessibility of the GIF. Once you have the web page loaded, you'll be ready for the next step. This stage is crucial because it sets the foundation for saving the GIF to your device. Next, touch and hold the GIF itself. When you do this, a menu will appear on your screen. Look for the option that says Save Image or Add to Photos. The wording may vary depending on the website, but it will generally be similar. Selecting this option will save the GIF directly to your iPhone. It's important to note that this action ensures that the GIF retains its animation when viewed later. After saving the GIF, open the Photos app. This is where all your images and videos are stored, including the GIFs you've just downloaded. Once the Photos app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. This knowledge will make it easier to locate your saved GIFs in the future. Now, locate the GIF you just saved. It should appear in your main photo library, and when you tap on it, the GIF will play automatically. This feature is particularly satisfying as it allows you to enjoy the animation immediately. Remember, if you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just give it a moment to load or check your recent photos. Your downloaded GIF is just a few taps away. For an added convenience, let me share a tip. In the Photos app, you can quickly find your saved GIFs. Simply go to Albums, then Media Types, and look for Animated. This feature is available on supported versions of iOS. It saves you time by organizing your GIFs in one easily accessible location, so you won't have to scroll through all your photos to find them. Once you've got your GIFs saved, you can share them with friends or use them in your messages. This opens up a whole new way to express yourself through fun and engaging content. Sharing GIFs can enhance your conversations and bring a bit of joy to your communication. In summary, downloading a GIF on your iPhone is a straightforward process. You start by opening Safari, navigate to the GIF, touch and hold it to save it, and then view it in your Photos app. By following these steps, you ensure that your GIFs are stored correctly and remain animated. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download a GIF on iPhone. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Enjoy using your new GIFs and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher.